Hi boys and girls, Miss Bove here, and today we're going to do an experiment where we make a volcano. Again, this isn't something you have to do, it's just if you're bored at home and you're looking for something to do, and if you had these materials, this would be something you could do. So I'm using a water bottle, which I cut the top off of just to make the hole bigger, but you don't have to use a water bottle. Any clear cup or bottle will work. And then I have white vinegar. I have baking soda. I have the food dye, which is optional. You don't need the food dye to do the experiment. It just it's going to give your volcano some color. I have a measuring cup, and I have this is like a solid measuring cup. This is for liquids, this type of a cup. And this is for solids. So what I'm gonna do is first I'm gonna take my baking soda and I'm gonna add 2 tablespoons of baking soda into my cup. This is what a tablespoon looks like. And this is baking soda. So I'm gonna stick it in there, right? And I'm gonna kind of just like wipe the top off to make sure it's even. And then I'm gonna carefully pour it into my cup. It's kind of hard to get out. I have like a paper towel down. I definitely suggest that you do that because it's a little messy. So that's 1 tablespoon, so now we need 2. Again, just gonna like slide it. And then, dump it. All right. So I'm kind of mix it up. Okay. So now I'm gonna add the food dye. We'll use red. And again, this is an optional step, so if you don't have the food dye, it's okay. You don't have to do this. Just gonna add like 2 drops in there. And now I'm gonna take my liquid measuring cup and I'm gonna find 1/4 on it. So here it is. And this is some fractions, right? This is real life fractions, boys and girls. This is why we're learning this. So here's the 1/4. So I'm gonna take this, the white vinegar. I'm gonna measure it, pour it in. Get as closest to that 1/4 mark as you can. And now when I pour it in here, there's gonna be chemical reaction and it's gonna make, supposed to be kind of like a volcano. So let's see what happens. Pour it in nice and slow. I don't know, you can hear it fizzing, right? And I say to pour it in slow so it doesn't overflow. But there you have it, a red volcano.